Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to change add friend button to follow button in your Facebook profile. This is full tutorial. So let's get started. So first, open your Facebook app. So I'll show you first my Facebook profile. As you can see, the add friend button is still there. So this is on how to change that add friend button to follow button. Make sure to follow all the steps, okay? So first things to do, go to your Facebook profile. Then click this. Now scroll down and go to settings. Now just scroll down and find this. Just click on it. Now click this. And switch to Friends of Friends button. Then click this Save button. Now check your Facebook profile. Click this 3 dots button. Then click this View As. So if only the message button appears, just do this last step. But if there is a follow button, it might be okay and you don't have to do the last steps I mentioned, okay? So before we continue, can you please click that subscribe button if you're new here? Thank you so much. So let's continue. So first, just go back to your Facebook profile. Click this 3 dots button again. Then find this. Just click on it and click this. If you're done, just fill up all this. So if you're done, just go to your Facebook profile. Just scroll down to refresh. If you're done to refresh, just click this 3 dots button again. Then click this View As. So that's for all in this video. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video.